deep fried Nutella. We are gonna take this over to the counter. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, I'm grabbing some big spoonfuls of my Nutella here. I am just placing this into my silicone molds, just like this. We're gonna want this Nutella to become a solid piece. And once you've got your Nutella all formed here, what we're gonna do is stick this in the freezer, and I've already done that with these hunks of Nutella. Just going to pop these out. Look how easily they're coming out. I've got some Nutella on my hands from the other mold, but don't worry, that's not gonna affect anything. Okay, I'm gonna drop these into my flour mixture here. And I've just got 3 of these. They happen to be in Easter molds, but you can put them in any kind of mold that you think would look good. All right, now we're gonna need some corn flakes. I'm just gonna bring these over here. I already put a few into a bag, and I am just going to crush these up with my little hammer. This is fun, it's good stress relief. You can't go wrong with just hammering away at something when you're feeling a little tense, am I right? Okay, that looks good. I'm just gonna bring in a bowl here. I'm gonna put these guys all inside. Amazing. We're gonna mix in some light brown sugar here. Just about, we'll put in a whole cup. Perfect. I'm gonna put a little cinnamon in there too. This is gonna be super yummy. I love the way this comes out. I'm just gonna mix this up, kind of breaking up that sugar, getting it mixed in with our corn flakes. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. You are absolutely going to love this. Okay, that looks good. Now I've got my Nutella still in the flour. I'm bringing in a bowl of egg wash here. I'm gonna come in and put those right in the egg wash. They're still frozen solid. That looks good. I'm gonna coat them nicely with this whole coating of corn flakes. We wanna get it all covered. It's gonna kind of seal in that Nutella so it's not gonna melt and disperse once we have it in our hot oil. Beautiful. Okay, I'm actually gonna go in for a second layer here, and we're gonna just coat this again. 2 layers of egg wash, 2 layers of our cornflake mixture. Make sure that is really thick and nicely coated. And I am just gonna continue this process with my other ones. Y'all, this is gonna be your new favorite dessert. It's so good. It's funny because I love deep fried stuff. And I remember people telling me that some of these deep fried things, it's crazy, but also if you ever go to the county fair, I mean, y'all, they're deep frying the craziest stuff there. They're deep frying ice cream, donuts, anything and everything you can imagine. Perfect. Alrighty guys, we're ready to get this over to the hot oil. All right, our oil is heated to 350. I'm just gonna pop these in there. They only need to be in for a minute or 2. A little bit of that cornflake coating coming off, but don't worry about that. All right, the most delicious dessert. I'm just gonna pop this out of here, y'all. They only need about 1 minute to cook. Oh my gosh. I love cornflakes, and so a crispy cornflake, on top of some chocolate and cinnamon and brown sugar. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, y'all, our deep fried Nutella is ready. I'm just gonna top this with a little bit of ice cream. I'm using strawberry because it's my favorite, but you could do vanilla or chocolate if you're a huge chocolate lover. And let's get some ice cream along with our deep fried Nutella. Oh. Wow. That is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. You've definitely got to try this.